आता खबर विस्तारान. मेची सुटी सोंपली आनी शाळा सुरू जाली. आयज शाळेचो पयलो दीस. सुटयेची मजा जाली. सोमारा सकाळी भुरग्यांनी आपली तयारी करून शाळेची वाट धरली. सगळ्यो शाळा बरे भशेन सुरू जाल्यो. अंदू वर्सा खंय 5 नव्यो शाळा सुरू जाल्यात. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
I enjoyed by going to beach and coming home and playing with my cousin sister and all. Prepared by covering books, bringing books. I was excited to come to school.
Okay. And what about the new raincoat? What all you brought now?
I brought now new books, new compass, new water bottle, and many things new. I went to Froggyland. I enjoyed the water park. I went so many places. I enjoyed the food also. Then I came back home watching TV and playing with my friends.
Okay. So you are happy back to school?
Yes.
You wanted more holidays?
No.
Okay. How is your first day on the school now?
It was so excited when I went in the class. I remember all my friends and a new teacher. I was very excited and very happy.
And how have you enjoyed your holidays?
I went to Froggyland. I went to one water park and I enjoyed with my whole family by roaming here. They enjoying in Goa. Books, compass, bag. I got lot of things. And I was very happy to come at school.
I'm very happy that students will be back with us during this academic year, and we prepared the assembly with the students and they hope for better results and to participate in activities. So we are playing in a different way this year's activities, and also to participate outside the winter school activities. And this time our special activity will be the annual sports day, and students are all getting ready for the new academic year to take part in activities as well as in the academic. And I'm also very happy because our school has got 95.31% this year with 20 distinctions, 24 first class, 10 second class and 6 pass class. So I wish all the teachers and students God's blessing this year.
Okay. So how have you prepared to Rio back to school?
I prepared for my 9th standard, like little nervous, but I have to take more effort in doing my studies.
Basically, you enjoyed your holidays?
Yeah, a lot.
You enjoyed. You think you wanted more holidays?
No, it's enough. Like we need a break.
How have you enjoyed your summer vacation?
I've enjoyed it very nicely. I used to go to play football. I used to go for tuitions. And I went to Bombay, Mysore, and I used to be in my cousin's place most of the time.
Okay. What are the activities you did during summer?
I went to the beach. I went for many swims.
ह्या अकॅडमीक वर्साक 2018-19 म्हणजे अबावट 1700 स्कूल गोंयांत सुरू जाली. आज ओपनिंग जालें. खंय एकूय अशी इन्सिडंट जावना की स्कूल बंद उरलें, मिड डे मील बंद उरलें. सगळी बरे भाशेन ओपन जाली आनी कंटिन्यू जातली. आमची 5 स्कुलाक परमिशन दिल्ली आसा. एक प्रायमरीक अबावट 2 दिल्ली आसा आनी हायस्कुलाक 3 परमिशन दिल्ली आसा. ही परमिशन दितना आमी क्रायटेरिया वापरलेलो आसा, मॅपींग केल्लें आसा, इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर बरोबर आसा काय ना तें पळयल्लेलें आसा आनी जी तांकां इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर एक्सलंट आसा तांकांच परमिशन दिल्लें आसा.